बतूल।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। खुदी को कर बुलंद के तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है। Today I will tell you about Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, national poet and philosopher, born in Sialkot town on 9th November 1877. He wrote poetry in Urdu and Persian languages. This poetry is considered to be among the greatest of the modern era. His origin of an appendage of Muslim and India. He wrote the first static बच्चे की दुआ, मकरा मक्खी, हमदर्दी, power gladdy. These are most testing for kids. Thank you.